Friday morning, I was bent over in contrition. I said, God, look at the atmosphere. Look what's happening. And that liar was like, you don't need to go. You don't need to get there. You are so tired running up and down, working. You see, I made a way for you not to go. You need to just go in your bed and rest. And the Spirit had to literally say to me, the devil is at work. And as soon as I came to my senses, the Spirit just gave me revelation that Satan trying to talk to you and tell you good things. Look, preserve this. Don't worry about looking the atmosphere. It's going to be bumpy, shaky. You won't fly. And I had to say, okay, God, get on my knees. And I heard his voice clearly, get your hands to Texas.